Ready? Start. Madam, I do not wish to talk much on the taxation and other measures, but I wish to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister some of the important needs of the country which should be given priority when we consider the working and implementation of the budget that is placed before us. Stop. It has been said to be the policy of our government that primary education should be made compulsory throughout the country and to see that within a short period illiteracy is wiped out from our country as a whole. Stop. Madam, as a result of the great efforts that we had made, we have been seeing that the children of the haves nots are attending schools. Stop. Which are now open to them with all sorts of privileges. Stop. But still all the children of the have nots are not attending the schools because these children are also asked to work for the maintenance of their families. Stop. So, madam, it is my suggestion that along with the implementation of the existing schemes, we should have the residential system for those children of the have nots so that they may be brought under some supervision so that until they complete their primary education we may have these children under some discipline. Stop. Stanza. Similarly, madam, when we think about the implementation of the educational schemes, we will have to think in a national way. Stop. It had incessantly been brought to the notice of this house that it is highly necessary that we should have a national scheme for secondary education. Stop. This national scheme is absolutely necessary to effect national integration. Stop. If according to the present policy each and every state is permitted to have their own regional language as the medium of instruction. Stop. I fear, madam, that at a later stage the people over